All right, folks, we're on building in here. This is where we've got a roof leak at 620 I got to look at. I want to finish this inspection first. As you can see, take a wild stab at it at what you feel like may be a problem on this roof. I'm only going to give you one guess, and I'm going to let you take 2 seconds. If you guess that the limbs are growing onto this roof, you nailed it. Those need to be cut back. Unfortunately, with this tree line here, you're always going to have an issue with this gutter line because you're not going to be able to keep leaves out of it. And I know people will tell you can do a maintenance plan, but until you can physically get somebody up here before every rain to clean those gutters out, I think you're always going to have a problem with it. And no sense in taking all that. We hardly have any trees down here in Texas anyway, so kind of cool to keep the ones we got. But these are all growing in pretty good. It's a few cuts she'll come off, but that's a lot of debris. And what's going to happen, folks, is those are going to get bigger and bigger. And on a big storm, when the wind gets going, guess what they're going to be whipping on? Your metal panel. And they're going to take a beating. And if it goes too long, it'll physically grow into that roof. It won't stop it. So that's the biggest ding on this one. I would definitely, clean out your gutters. Clean out your gutters, cut these back. I'd hit all your screws. Haven't found any missing ones. Not anywhere near what the other buildings are. This one kind of looks like it may be a little bit newer. Once again, you got this seam here. I would seal that up because you don't want water accumulating under there. That's just going to rust this panel, and that's going to make a bad day at the office for people. So you hear that? That actually wasn't rust. That was probably just, look at this debris come out. Just a bunch of debris. This one gets a lot of debris back here, with that field back there. So once again, I'd go 2-year warranty. Nothing to be scared at. She just needs some TLC. That's your enclosure. All these this should be sitting in there. What I like to do is I like to take them. I'll put a new one in there. Okay, and I make it look like that. And then what we do is we're going to come in and we're just going to seal that. We're going to seal this to this, and it's going to go away, and you're never going to have to worry about it again. Like I said, foam just it's wishful thinking. Once 8, 10, 12 years of Texas heat, it's just going to dry rot it and shrink it, and it's not going to be doing the job that it used to do. So we'll get you some numbers for a 2-year repair, sealing up your seam, your fasteners, enclosures, cutting your limbs back, and you'll be good to go. But please keep in mind, this is building in. You're always going to have a problem with that back roof, your gutter, unless you can physically get somebody up here before every rain. So something to keep in mind there. It's just something very, very unfortunate and tough to stop. That's why I don't pitch a lot of maintenance plans anymore, because people expect too much from them, and you can only do so much maintenance before Mother Nature and the environment dominate. You can't beat them. So we'll get you some numbers. This building in, like I said, one of your better ones, minus all that stuff going on. But we're gonna go check these other ones out, and we'll see you over there.